Hello, welcome. In this video you will learn how to strum and sing, and we will do our first song. I do like to start with children's songs just because most people have heard them, you know what they sound like, and it's really easy to replicate the process. But once you've learned this skill, you can adapt it to any song that you want. So let's get started. But first, something I haven't talked about yet that I should have talked about earlier. When you're playing ukulele, if you are seriously committed to the instrument, you're going to need to do a few changes with your nails. So, on the hand that you play your chords, or that you're on the fingerboard, your fingerboard hand, I would like you to keep short nails. The thumb doesn't really matter, but I don't know if you can see it here. I have very short nails on this hand. That's because when I want to curve my fingers and to make nice chords that ring, if I had nails, my nails would make me have to play with the improper or wrong posture. So in order to play with really curved fingers and play at the fingertips, I have to keep those nails short. On the other hand, I keep these nails long. And the most important one, in my opinion, would be the index fingernail. Second would be the thumb. And the others I just keep even just to make it look even. So my hands, on one hand I have long nails and on the other one I have short nails. Nobody really notices. Actually, I don't think anybody has noticed that I have different nail lengths. But if you're seriously committed to the instrument and want it to sound good, this is something that's really going to take your playing to the next level. Okay, so now let's talk about strumming. I will be playing on C chord. Please play this with your ring finger just to kind of start training you to play with good form. So play that with the ring finger, and I'll have my thumb in the back as leverage and to help me squeeze. And I'm gonna move closer to the camera now so that you can see my strumming. Okay, so I'm going to C chord, that's on the 3rd fret, and I'm gonna stay there for the rest of the video. So I really want to show this side, so just remember that I'm on C chord. Okay, so now for strumming. I've talked to you about strumming this way, and that's fine for beginners, but now I want to take you to the next level. So now we're going to try a different strum. I would like for you to hold your hands like this. Pretend that you're holding something, okay? Pretend you're holding something. And now I want you to touch the strings with this part of your nail. Okay, so watch me first. I'm gonna go to C chord. Notice I'm not like this. That makes a really weird bend and tension in my hand. I don't want any tension in my hand. This is not good. Unfold, unfold. Make it nice and straight. And notice how I'm gonna touch. Soft is okay. If you are right over the sound hole, your finger might catch. So go a little bit above the sound hole, okay? And let your finger just fall. Have it just fall. Okay? Try falling again. If you're doing this, you're pushing into the ukulele. I don't want you pushing in. No, 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 no. I want you thinking down. 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 Your ukulele should sound just like mine if you tuned, okay? So make sure you are tuned and fall down. Notice I'm not squeezing the hand either. That's gonna make tension. We don't want tension. Relax the hand. Relax. And so I'm just going to go down. Okay? So now on C chord, let's just try to do 8 down strums together. Don't go faster or slower than me. Go at the same pace. 1, 2, 8 strums. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you were following instructions, you were falling down. If you were doing this, you probably couldn't keep up with me because that takes more time. So just down, down, down. Try again. 8 beats. 1, 2, 8 strums. Ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. With the exercise that we just did, you learned something essential to your ukulele playing, believe it or not. How to hold a chord, and at the same time how to strum and how to keep count. So those things are essential to when you start learning songs. You need to be able to do all of those at the same time. So let's do it again together. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're going to try and sing as we play. I'm not a singer, I'm a teacher, so forgive the voice, but we're going to proceed anyway because we're all learning, right? So we're going to go to C chord, and I want you to strum on C and just keep going. We're going to sing row, row, row your boat, okay? 1, 2, C chord, keep going. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Okay, let's try that again. Sing along with me. If you can't sing, hum at least. Or la, 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 la. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. And usually on the last note of a song, you want to strum and let it ring. If you strum and let go, you kind of lose the beauty of the last note. So hold the chord and let it ring so that you can enjoy the sound. So let's do it one more time. We're on C chord, we're strumming down, and we're singing, or at least going la, 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 because that's helping you coordinate how to sing, how to squeeze, and how to strum at the same time. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Watch this video again if you need to. Once you're ready, proceed to the next tutorial where you will gain a new skill. Alrighty, I'll see you there.